Hi there, students. The environs, plural, usually plural. The surrounding area, the area surrounding a place, particularly a town. So London and its environs are a very interesting place to visit for a holiday. So the environs, the area around it. The town and its environs are a lovely place to live. In the environs of the farm, there were beautiful trees and everything was green. I spent all day exploring the environs of the port area, a green verdant environs, so area. Let's see, an environ. You could have an environ, but it's very unusual. Normally, the environment. The environ around my house, I would say the environs. But also notice to environ as a verb. So to surround. The area that environs my house is a dormitory city. The area surrounding. So to environ as a verb, to surround. An enormous desert environed the oasis. It was a house environed by beautiful grounds. So bordered, surrounded by. The factory was environed by green lawns, so that it looked as if it was completely environmentally friendly. But the environs, the surroundings, the environment, the area around, to environ, to surround. But as I said, we don't normally use the environ in. So let's see. I know Paris and its environs very well. The banlieue, the environs of Paris, have some very interesting places to visit. The town and its environs are full of recreational places. There are various shopping centres in the environs of the city, in the vicinity, on the outskirts, the suburbs of a town, the surrounding area, the surrounding region. So living in the centre of the city can be quite difficult, but living in the environs around the city can be a very nice thing. So the surrounding area, the outskirts, the suburbs, the environs of London. I went to Kingston and I drove around the environs of Kingston, a very nice place. Okay, so the environs, the area surrounding somewhere, the surrounding district. The environs of Loch Ness are quite hilly and full of trees and very beautiful. To environ, to surround. The stone circle was environed by black soil, was surrounded, was encircled by. So the environs, the area surrounding a place, the town and its environs. Yes, London and its environs, Shanghai and its environs, the area around. There is an immense desert that environs the waterhole. The environs of Vienna are beautiful. I love this house and its environs. It's a very pretty place. Okay, so formality, environs. I think I'm probably going to give this a 6 in formality. I would say use anywhere. Maybe it's a little bit on the more formal, more literary side, but I would say that you could use it anywhere. And as to origin, okay, it comes from Middle English, environ. Um, okay, it's, let's see, in French we've got environ, environ, the area surrounding a place. So the environs in, or les environs, the area surrounding. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Environs. Environ.